Okay, I really am so like sick of the term unboxing, but welcome to my unboxing video. Comment if you have a better word for unboxing. How about unveiling, or I don't know. Okay, so I made a lot of purchases during Black Friday, Cyber Monday on Amazon. This was one of them. Yes, this is a pre-recorded video, but like, I just don't like to filter and edit. It just takes too long. So, all right, Hot Tools, 24 karat gold collection. I bought the less expensive one because it is what it is. I think the only difference is that one you could remove and change the head here, and this one you can't. It's fine. So, okay, now, what a great gift, by the way. It's like, it really is lovely and it's really simple. I've been using another product that I love and I've shown on my Amazon Lives. I love it. And it's got like a little bit more of a brush-like to it. This is more like bristly, see? So I think this will be better suited for people that have like really thick hair. So that's good. I don't have thick hair. And that's the way the cookie crumbles, but look, so pretty. And it has like little instructions. It also has care instructions. The reason why I bought this is because my other dryer I've had for so long, and I'm like, shouldn't I like change this thing up? Shouldn't I get a refresh? And so I did. But actually, if you just read the care instructions, which are somewhere in here, it says it. It says it. Okay, look, care instructions. Hello. Okay, so look. All you have to do, it just says to remove the hair from the bristles, like after each use, and that will help it. Obviously, let it cool before you store it, and just like, you know, don't throw it in the mud. You're like, great review, Haley. Duh. So I'm not gonna plug it in right now, but I wanna see, whoa, all right, that's what I wanna see here. So this is a lot different than my other brush. Look at the bristles. You see that? So this, my other brush is more padded, like it has more, whatever this stuff is, like this, whatever that's called. I'm not a beauty influencer, but I buy really good products and show them to you live. So it doesn't have as much of that cushioning, and the bristles are longer than the one that I've been using. I mean, do I even need to blow out my hair? I mean, yes, I do. But look, I haven't brushed my hair since this morning, and I woke up at like 4 a.m. because I'm a weirdo. So yeah, this is a serious styling tool. I did not brush my hair before this. So if it were like, I was worried about these bristles. I was like, this may damage my hair. It may pull. No, it actually, look at this. Look how it grasps every single piece of my hair. Look at that. Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. Of course, you just have 3 different switches: off, cool, low, high. I just go on high. I'm like, just let me get it over with. I can't stand doing my hair. I'm so incredibly impatient about doing my hair. And even when I try really hard to do my hair, it never turns out well. But this kind of brush, again, I've been using something similar, but not as the one that I've been using, which I love, is a lot less expensive. It's not as luxurious as this one. And it's just like an older model too. It's not, but this look, I think that this is gonna really shorten my, my time spent, which, as you know, I don't like to do my hair. So yeah, this is great. Okay. It's funny, you're like, why are you showing me this product without turning it on? Well, the point here is to see me about to go to the gym after waking up super early, with unbrushed, just yucky hair, unwashed hair. Oh, I didn't even wash my hair yesterday. I have no product in, and I'm not even using the number one feature of this product, which is to dry your hair. And even if it didn't have that feature, I'd still buy it. And look at all the hair it picked up. Can you guys see my hair there? Yeah, so look, I'm gonna follow the directions. Just gonna pull it out. It's very easy. You know what, I just take like a brush, my own brush, and I just comb it out, and then it also cleans the brush too. I'm Hailey Feldman, I'm not a beauty influencer, I'm not a makeup artist, I am not a hairstylist. That's why I invest in really great top products like this. Grab it, get it, and go, and what a great gift. Everyone dries their hair now. After, oh gosh, which show was it? Which show had it where he was it Southern Charm where he was like always blowing up his hair? It doesn't matter. Like this is just a great, great, great tool. And the weight, you know, check the product page, but like it's not super heavy. It's not like travel size, no, but I travel with it. I love it. Okay, Hot Tools Professional. I'm gonna show it on my Amazon Live, definitely.